Alright, so I'm going to do a tutorial on how to find a reliable article for your project. If you are nervous about the project, here's a cute photo to calm you down. This is my dog, and yes, he's very cute. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I need to go to INFOhio.org. So I'm going to type in INFOhio, and over here, the O is in info and Ohio. Put that together. So I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so I'm now in. So now I have to show you how to get to 6 through 8. Do not click this. You shouldn't be in this class if you're going to click this or this or this. So you're going to click 6 through 8, which is middle school. Notice that? So I'm going to click on that. Alright. So now we have to go find Explora. Here's Explora right here for 6 through 8. So I'm going to click on that. Opens a new tab. Hopefully it works. Alright, cool. So I'm going to use the example, Are Aliens Real? The one we did in class. So I'm going to do Are Aliens Real? So I'm going to get stuff Alien Ant Farm. I don't think that is the topic. So if I do should we call out to space aliens? Alright, here's a good article. Alright. I'm sorry, I'm going over 2 minutes. Alright, so here looks like a good article. If I go to permalink, I can get a link. Okay. Title, should we call it to space aliens? Okay. Science news for students. Oh, 2017, that's pretty good. Middle search plus, alright. So, okay, this looks like a pretty good, looks like a good source to use. Alright, so I hope this was informational, and if you are still stressed, take one more look at this photo. Thanks guys, good luck on your projects.